Machine guns pointed at us. When I made the night runs from our barrack to the latrine, searchlights followed us. It was a prison camp.
Donald Trump made the statement that all Muslims should be banned from entry into the United States. That kind of sweeping characterization of a whole group of people is exactly what we were subjected to. They had a registry. They called it a database on us. That was followed by the soldiers coming to take us. We want to show that there is strength in numbers and that there is an overwhelming public opinion supporting our solidarity with the Muslim Americans.